Well, this video I'm making on a fine Friday. All right, December 20th of 2024. And if you have subscribed to my YouTube channel and you click and watch my YouTube videos, you probably know I'm in Live Good. All right, boom, living good, feeling good. All right, look at this. I can do that dance. How does Donald, our president does a dance to YMCA? Isn't it like this? Y, M, C, whoops, C, and I don't know how to do the letter A. Okay. But yeah, I like to dance. I like to sing in the shower when no one hears me. Lord knows I can't sing, but I wish I did. Wouldn't it be fun to sing like, oh, who's the best singer? You know whose voice I love? Rod Stewart. That gravelly, I like different voices. Wouldn't you agree? Like Freddie Mercury, a Queen. Oh, man. And there's some great pop, opera, country. I mean, music. Oh, my God. It's just so diverse and all over the place. My point to all of this is you are just as different as probably anybody on your block. I mean, maybe you have the white picket fence. Maybe you have a husband or a wife and 2 kids. But when it comes to personality, the way you talk, the way that you like to have facial hair, or do you like to wear too much orange to where you look like an orange? I look like a company called Orange Julius. They're popular here in Salt Lake City. Or I look like a Denver Bronco guy because they're orange, aren't they? Who else is orange? Tampa Bay. There's a lot of things that are orange. I like this color. Plus, I love these shirts. They're cheap. I buy them at Walmart, and they're like $7, so they last forever. And if I ruin them or spill stuff on them, you can just turn them into a hand cleaning towel and then put them in the garbage, I guess. But anyway, we're all different. We all have different ways to convey a message or post a message or do something to hopefully get attention or be entertaining. Because in this day and age, guys, you need help to stick out from Instagram or the Facebook, maybe even an email. It has to be interesting enough to where people stop, read it, don't think it's spam, junk mail, and just delete it without even opening it. All right, there's techniques that work. And I mean now, December going into January 2025 in a week, okay? You got to do whatever it takes to get attention. You're going to hear a lot of that. You've got to somehow be interesting or entertaining. And I know this sounds like, okay, are we marketing TV shows? What, do we work for Warner Brothers and we're doing the marketing for a new movie? It's like, no, guys. And you got to agree, if you have one of these things, a cell phone, you probably scroll up, down, left, and right, either on a TikTok or an Instagram or maybe X, Twitter, whatever it's called this week, Facebook, and some things will get attention. Now, if it's your aunt and you recognize the profile because you're friends, but I mean like if there's ads that are popping up, there's always something you're scrolling, or is somebody doing something. I always watch girls jumping in their underwear on beds doing makeup. Call me crazy, creepy, but I am. But there's so many things that get your attention. You should stop and just ask yourself, why did I just stop? That ad looks good. Is it the colors? Is it the font? Was it a picture that was funny and then you stopped and then you read what the opportunity is? Okay? Guys, even your appearance. Sometimes you might dress a little sexy and you know it, especially you girls. Man, you're walking, you got those badass shoes on. You got those styling threads on, okay? And thank you, by the way, because I'm one of those guys going, damn, you looking fine. Except I don't say that because I'm too darn old, and you'll call the cops if creepy grandpa's going, hey, what's up, girl? Hey, do you want to call and do what's it, DM? What is DM? Digital message? Get in my DM. That means my dungarees that are mungy. I don't even know what DM means, but anyway, I recommend that if you're going to join Live Good, you join my group, my downline, my team, my little get together, my hoot nanny. Okay, because I have a handful of things that I do besides Live Good that get attention and signups. Okay, I'm very comfortable getting 10 to 13 signups usually per month in Live Good. Organic. I don't pay for like ads or pay for traffic. Okay. I just email a certain way. Okay. And I post a certain way. And even when I do videos, there's a reason why I usually wear brighter clothes. Because I know that my videos, when you're scrolling on YouTube or on Facebook, the color alone gets your eyeballs to go, okay. Then it's up to you if you want to stop and go, okay, what the hell is this about? Okay, a lot of competition out there. All right, no doubt about it. A lot of competition. But it all starts with, are you interested in Live Good to buy the products? Okay, good. I think you're going to like them so much that you buy them every month. And if you buy our products every month, then you want to be a member. $10 a month. Okay, $9.95 to be exact. It's worth your while. You're going to save probably 30, 40, 50 bucks if you spend 10 a month to buy Live Good products every month. Okay. Now, if you want to earn money like I do, there's a $40 one-time fee, and that, guys, that's it. Two $20 bills, 4 10s. How many fives go into 40? $90? Or I can't remember. All right, but anyway, if you want to pay in pennies, I don't know. If you send $40 of pennies to Live Good, they'll probably go, all right, now that's enough. Only Cory would recommend doing that knucklehead. But for a $40 one-time fee, it is nice to know that you're now an affiliate. Okay? All you got to do is just be a member every single month. And a lot of people, they spend $100 on their membership. Now, this is what you get. If you have $99.95, you can get 12 months for the price of 10. Do the one-time $40 activation fee to get the website, the capture page, customer service, support. All your shipping is done by the United States Post Office. You don't have to worry about it. DHL International, they do all, obviously, the international shipping and handling, and they have tracking. Okay? For $40, that is one heck of a deal. You'll see what I mean if you're not in Live Good and you do join. Okay? Then all you got to do is just go, how can I have fun and just screw off and, man, do fun things, post about life or puppies or flowers or my favorite meatloaf or did I trip and break my toe? Let me show you what my toe looks like. Boy, just people, if you type in injuredtoes.com, oh my God, they're freaky. They're crazy. You might get a million signups from people that like hurtfreakytoes.com. Okay? Don't quote me on that. I'm just being an entertaining little son bitch. Okay? But anyway, you guys, it all just starts with hopefully you're watching this video that I just did, but I want you to watch a 5-minute and 55-second video with our CEO, and it's Ben Glinsky. Okay, nice guy, very successful guy. We just turned 2 about a couple days ago on December 13th of 2024 because we kicked off December 13th of 2022. I love doing this. I like to do that too, where I pick my nose. All right. Yummy. Okay, so in 2 years, we're in over a couple hundred countries, doing about $15 million a month in wholesale sales. That's impressive. Okay, about 1.6, going on 1.7 million members and affiliates worldwide. We sign up anywhere from 2 to 2,500 on the average per day. And on Friday, for some reason, we sign up about 3,000 before noon Eastern. Okay, we have a lot of live Zoom meetings, a lot of support. We even have a new co-op where if you have $35 and you already have 10 people, all right, that's considered, okay, bronze means you have 2 people signed up in your group as an affiliate. When you get 10, that's considered silver. Okay, then you get to gold, platinum, diamond, and whatnot. But I'll tell you what, guys, if you're interested in the co-op, just click the co-op. This is for people already signed up in Live Good. Okay, just click the new tab. It came out yesterday. And see if the co-op is for you. Okay, it's going to cost you $35. And sometimes, if you want to get a member and affiliate in your group and you have $35 and you can have Live Good do all the advertising, podcasts, social media advertising for you, sometimes that $35 per member, it can add up, guys. Okay? Awesome sauce, right? Especially if you get a $25 commission just for someone signing up. Spend $35, you get $25 back. Okay, so now you got a $10 barrier. Okay, so customer acquisition is $35 worth it. I don't know yet because it's brand new. It only started yesterday. I ordered a couple. Okay, right now there's a minimum or maximum. I guess I said it wrong. You can only get 2 of the $35 co-op opportunities. So I went ahead and just bought 2. I'm just sitting back because today I got to look at my, it's December 20th of 2024. All I can do is sit back and just kind of wait and see what happens. But if I get good results, and if I do get that $25 commission on a $35 co-op, then I want to scale up. So good job, Live Good. All I can do is just wait. I'm a storyteller. But look into it if you're already in Live Good. I recommend at least getting 1 co-op. Try the $35 expense and let me know how it works. I want a whole bunch. I want at least, I don't know, 25 people to get a hold of me and say, hey, you know what? I got a customer. It's real. And I got a $25 commission on a $35 purchase. So you're like, that's not bad. Now we're in the right direction, okay? Okay, guys, thank you for your time. I want you to look into Live Good for real. I guess I'll be lazy. Usually I have like a joincory.com thing on my screen, but when you're lazy, you just hold up one of your business cards to the webcam, okay? joincory.com. Go ahead and watch that little video. And if you're interested, put your name and email address in that box. And I'm going to send you an email every day for 30 days just to see if you're still interested. Keep the emails if you're going to join as an affiliate because you can use those. They're good emails. You don't want to delete them, okay? And if you sign up, I'm going to send you a nice little email saying welcome. Shake, shake, shake. And I'm going to tell you exactly what I do on how I was able to sign up. Damn near, I'm almost at 400 people already, okay, have signed up. I'm pretty darn good at this Live Good thing, okay, guys? Okay, now you can make fun of me of wearing way too much orange. Okay, you guys, thanks for watching, okay? We'll see you next time. Peace and love. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cory at CoryDraper.com. That's how you get a hold of me. Thanks, guys. Talk to you soon.